Hi, my name is Jeremy.
I'm Maddie.
And we teach at Uptown Swing.
And this was Level 2 Charleston month.
This was the last week of this module. Great work. We did quite a few things.
It was all about 20s Charleston. We started by learning the basic. We all started on our left foot. On our left foot. Do you want one of us in
yeah,
front?
that's good. Yeah, I'll do it this way, yeah.
All right. And we all went back to do a touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step. Then we talked about putting in those little hitches. We started just by working the ankles, having our heels go in and out. We lean to one side, you lean to the other side. That's a good way to practice getting that hitch movement. And eventually you can incorporate it into your basics so that it looks like touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step. This is a great thing to practice on your own so that you really get it. You don't have to think about it when you're doing your basic. Then we talked about getting from this closed position to the open position. Boop, bop, boop, bop.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Those are the little transitions between closed and open.
Yep. Then we did a follower's turn and a leader's turn.
That's right. Followers go first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7. Leaders go second. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3.
And they interlock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3.
We also talked about how to get here if you're doing 30s Charleston. We did it by starting a side by side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1,
Rock, step,
2.
kick, step, touch, step, touch,
1, 2, 3,
step.
4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And that was it. You guys did great. See you later.